Besties, I just need 5 minutes of your time to learn how to install this wig on my hair. You're welcome back. My name is Gift Uchechi and today we'll be installing this wig on my hair. So I'm already putting on my wig cap. I decided not to cut it because you can actually do that without cutting your wig cap. Just push your wig cap just a little behind and just install your wig. So as you can see, I just applied my ghost bond and I'm trying to spread it through. You either let the ghost bond air dry or you use your hand dryer to dry it faster. Just dry it a little bit before you put your wig on it. This process is actually optional because ghost bond, I noticed that it's not that strong like that to work with this, but it's optional like I had said. Yeah, a hot iron comes handy because it just wants to make the pattern to be very obvious. So guys, here the wax stick comes handy because it just wants to lay your hair before you use the hot iron again. So just apply it as much as you can. So guys, we have come to the end of this short tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified every time I make a new post. See you in my next video. Bye for now.